This is Jim Autos, Jack here with a Rocco Revo double cab in red color. So I'll be right back after a brief intro about our company. Stay tuned. Hello dear friends, this is a Jim Autos presentation. We export right-hand drive vehicles from Thailand, Australia, UK, Hong Kong and Japan, and left-hand drive vehicles from United States, Canada, Dubai, Oman and Europe. Our website is toyota-dealer.org/WP1. Thank you guys. Okay guys, I'm back again. So here is the red Toyota Hilux Revo Rocco version. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful red color. So generally red cars can be very garish, but this one isn't. It looks nice. So here we go. Close up of the grill, Tacoma like grill. This is what distinguishes Revo from the older Revo. So anyway, so here we go, as I have mentioned before. This is unique. So here is as you see Revo. This is the distinguishing feature of Rocco is that this housing is titanium. There's a lip in black, and also the housing of the fog lamp is also titanium. Then there is an underlip which is also the distinguished feature of Rocco. There's no underlip in the regular Revo. Anyway, so here this is the Tacoma like grill, and then there is in Revo, as you see, there is a radiator grill underneath, so we draw air for the intercooler. So there's no need, as it used to be in Vigo, on top of the bonnet. So anyway, then of course the light with daylight running light in the 2800cc top end, and lower end models don't have the daylight running lights, but we can add them if you want. This is projector like headlamp. Anyway, so I'll start a walk around. Sorry. Anyway, as you'll see right away, this is the beautiful tire that distinguishes Rocco. All-terrain tire from Dunlop, and also the beautiful rim. So this just is sufficient, because this is why Rocco has been a wild success. And then there's a fender flare, and it's kind of big, so people love it or people hate it. So if you don't like it, we can remove it. But here is also, as you see, in black. So side mirror is black, and also the door handles are black. So that's another distinguished feature of Rocco, and the rest is standard, and except for you see here we go, the roll bar and the Rocco sticker, and of course the rear tire. Anyway, and then we'll go back and see the rear of the vehicle, and here we go. Here is the rear camera. Here you go, Revo, and the Rocco feature is this titanium rear bumper. Anyway, guys, please note that we sell full range of Thailand vehicles, from cars. I'll just do a walk around. Cars, pickup trucks, SUVs, multi-purpose vehicles. Also we have any vehicle. So brand new Revo and Revo Rocco, of course, and then the used Revo, also used Toyota Hilux Revo, and then of course brand new Nissan Navara, NP300, and Ford Ranger. Wildtrak is especially very popular. So, and among SUVs from Thailand, we export Toyota Fortuner, Isuzu MUX, Pajero Sport, and also we have van like highest van, Nissan Urban, and large commercial trucks. Anyway, here are some other Roccos. This Rocco haven't released it. This is the white Rocco, and I will show you. This is the one in black, and then silver. So, and that's a traditional Revo. So anyway, and also, you know, guys, you know, we offer full range of Thailand vehicles, from Thailand, Australia, UK, Hong Kong, Japan, Singapore, and full range of, also we offer full range of left-hand drive vehicles from US, Canada, Dubai, Oman, Bahrain, Thailand, and Japan. So anything you need, we have it, likely, or we can find it. Anyway, so let's see interior of the car. And the distinguish, this is dark, as you see, black elegant interiors, plenty of space, guys. Here are speakers, plenty of speakers also, and the door controls, and you see the quality work here. And the driver side seat is power, so you can see, and you can see the quality of the seating is plush leather, very nice. Okay, and here is the AC vent. Then you have the engine start stop, of course, and steering controls. So all, and you'll see how distinguishing the sewing is. And then in the interior of the car, you'll see the meter. This is another Rocco distinguishing feature. Anyway, and this is the display, very big display, so you can see DVDs, or you can just see the trip information. And this is the timer, and AC vents, of course, passenger airbag, and this is the cooler. Okay, and it can accommodate two bottles. So anyway, and here are the AC controls. Okay, and of course the 6-speed gear. And here we go. So power mode, eco mode, and IMT. This is a manual vehicle. So here is the armrest, the passenger chair, again very elegant. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we'll be adding new videos every week, and so, and any video you like also. So let's open the rear door, and you'll see dark interiors. Here also black interior, plush leather. Here we go. No expense paid in the seating. Looks like a luxury car, more like than a pickup. So it's not your father's pickup. Pickups have come a long way. And the AC controls. So, and you can put in the rear if you want something. Anyway, and you can hang your stuff here. Also here, handles. You can put your clothes. Anyway, now, so guys, you can contact me at jim12cars@gmail.com, jim12cars@gmail.com, and also you can call me or WhatsApp me or Viber me +66 89 106 5701. So the bed line are already installed. It was raining just a while ago, so as you can see, overcast skies, so looks ominous. Probably rain again soon. So right now rainy season in Thailand, so can rain at any moment's notice. So anyway, guys, so no matter which color Rocco you want, or Revo, or any other vehicle from any part of the world, we can supply it. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need any particular video, and we also supply parts and accessories. So don't forget. So any parts you need, so just send us chassis code and the part number, and we can supply from our many branches. Also from Australia, you know, we export Toyota Land Cruiser, Lexus 570, Prado, Kakadu to many parts of the world. Okay, guys, toodaloo. See you again. We offer full range of Thailand vehicles: Toyota Revo, Vigo, Fortuner, Ford Ranger Wildtrak, Navara 9P300, and any Thai pickup SUV, trucks, or and also we export from Thailand, Australia, UK, USA, Dubai, Japan, Hong Kong, and all our cars are on sale. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. It's been fun, and a like would be appreciated. Please leave comments and please subscribe. We're adding new videos every day. Thanks.